So I've just picked this basket of grapes from my grapevine, and the reason I don't pick the whole bunch is because they're red flame, and for some reason they don't all ripen the same. And because I'm such a fanatic about not wasting anything, I just go out and pick the grapes off the vine that are ripe. So anyway, I am just going to dump these into my blender. Well, not all of them, of course, but I'm going to dump some of them in my blender jar, and some are going onto the floor. And then I'm going to blend them. And I don't blend them clear down smooth. I keep some of the skin intact because I think that fiber is really good to not completely blend it down and obliterate it. And then what I'm going to do is pour this into ice cube trays. All right, and then I freeze them. And when they're frozen, I put them in a little baggie, and they're perfect to put in my oatmeal in the morning. And I'll just throw 2 or 3 in there, and I also put some other fruit. Right now I'm doing some chopped up apricots that I have frozen, and also some blueberries. So just a great way to sweeten your oatmeal up just a little bit more. Of course, grapes are so sweet, and I have a hard time eating too many of them because they're just so sweet. My body doesn't handle sugar very well. So great way to use them up. I hope you like this idea.